In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 easiest vegetables to grow yourself so that you can always have fresh produce on hand. Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 easiest vegetables to grow at home. Now, even if you don't have a green thumb, these vegetables are practically impossible to kill, so you'll be able to get great yields without any trouble. So stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. 1. Lettuce. For anyone who has ever had the misfortune of trying to grow lettuce from seed, it may be a surprise to learn that it is actually very easy to grow. Though the seeds are tiny and delicate, they germinate quickly and are not picky about soil type. Lettuce also grows relatively quickly, reaching maturity in as little as 6 weeks. In fact, the biggest challenge when growing lettuce is often preventing it from bolting or going to seed. 2. Carrots. Carrots are one of the easiest vegetables to grow, and they are a great option for beginners. They can be planted in either direct sunlight or partial shade, and they do not require a lot of water. Carrots also have a relatively long growing season, so you can enjoy fresh carrots from your garden for several months. When it comes time to harvest, simply pull the carrots up by their tops. If you want to store your carrots for later use, you can brush off any dirt and place them in a plastic bag in the refrigerator. 3. Radishes. Radishes are an excellent choice for beginning gardeners. They are fast-growing, easy to care for, and relatively tolerant of poor growing conditions. Radishes can be planted directly in the ground or started in seed trays indoors and then transplanted outdoors. They prefer loose, well-drained soil and full sun, but can also tolerate partial shade. Watering radishes too frequently can result in bland, watery roots, so it is important to let the soil dry out between watering. 4. Garlic. While some plants require special care and attention, garlic is one of the easiest crops to grow. With just a little bit of preparation, you can yield a large harvest of this flavorful herb. The first step is to choose a sunny spot in your garden or yard where the soil drains well. Then, break up the soil and remove any rocks or other debris. Next, it's time to plant the cloves. Plant each clove about 2 inches deep and 4 inches apart. Once they're in the ground, water them well and mulch around the plants to help retain moisture. 5. Green beans. Green beans are an excellent choice for novice gardeners. They are relatively easy to grow and can be harvested in just a few weeks. Green beans are also very versatile. They can be eaten fresh, canned, or frozen. Plus, they are a great source of vitamins and minerals. If you are looking to add more vegetables to your diet, green beans are a great option. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.